July 14th, 2016, the day that the new Sapphire Falls hotel opens. And these guys are ready, I think. I mean, you can see their excitement, right? Just need one more person.
Hold on, I'm going to stop this video for a moment here in 2018. This video was posted to another YouTube channel of mine that I didn't really use. I just wanted to see if I shot a video like this and put it up with really nothing else on the channel before, how well it would do, just as a sort of a test run for Orlandage. So most of you, if not all of you, have not watched this video yet. So I have updated it a little bit. There's some video that I didn't really like. I also didn't have my outro at the time, so let's check out some more video from the opening days of Sapphire Falls.
Hey Stella, are we there yet? Alright everybody, here's a first look at the new hotel. And the billboard that'll never go away. There's the Madame A, and now you can see it. Ooh, shiny. That's where we're gonna be.
Mm-hmm. We'll be one of the first of the public to stay there. I wonder how many other YouTubers from Orlando are going to be staying here too.
I thought Tim was gonna be here tonight, but I think he was saying he isn't. That it's going to stay there, but
yeah, just maybe not tonight.
ooh, this is really nice.
Yeah.
It's really nice. Stella's all excited.
Oh, you were right. There's media here.
Hey, I think there's someone else here. Ooh, smell that new hotel smell. And the longest line I've ever seen at a hotel. Well, plenty of time to take in the scenery. Brand new coffee maker, never used. for the boats. Now because there's so many hotels, they had to put in traffic lights. Here's where the garbage can is supposed to go. Let's get her out that part. Oh well, dog walk area. For like $10 more, I think, or maybe even less. I could have been on the pool side, but then this one over here. Oh, there goes that great study. This one over here would have too many noises to growl and bark at. Thanks for photo bombing, Stella. Lucky, good job. Just because it's open doesn't mean it's quite finished yet. Here's one of the restaurants we didn't get a chance to try out.
I think that guy's dead.
Here's the menu. And here's Stella doing an impression of her dad. This is exactly what he would be doing if he was here. Comfortable, Stella? It's a really cool hotel. It's a very nice, huge lobby. Got this big TV over here. I was just showing a Disney ad, which is kind of funny. Strongwater Tavern is pretty cool. I don't drink. Oh, there's a ad for City Walk. I don't drink alcohol, so don't care much about it. Oh, it looks like all they play here are promo videos for the parks. Just kind of weird because you're already here.
That is my video. Remember, Brian and I will be staying at Aventura on the 16th of August. For now, thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.
They didn't have a place to sit down in there.